Good morning, sir. This is our topic of Group 3. The topic of Group 3 is all about determining safe speed based on visibility, traffic, and vessel maneuverability. Introduction. Safe speed is one of the fundamental principles in a maritime navigation. Ships must navigate at a speed that allows them to take proper and effective action to avoid collisions. This presentation will explain how to determine safe speeds based on various factors outlined in Colrig's Rule 6. What is Colrig? The international regulation for preventing collision at sea. Colrig were established by the International Maritime Organization in 1972 to standardize navigation rules worldwide. These rules apply to all vessels on the high seas and navigable waters, ensuring safe navigation and reducing the risk of navigation. Why is safe speed important? Speed is crucial for maritime safety because it allows vessels to take timely and effectively action to avoid collisions. It provides sufficient stopping distance when hazards arise. It helps in adverse weather conditions and areas with high vessel traffic.
Hello sir, my name is Jamal Walchiva. Factors affecting safe speed. Several factors must be considered to determine a vessel's safe speed. Visibility conditions. Poor visibility due to fog, rain, or darkness requires a reduction in speed. Traffic density. Areas with high vessel traffic such as ports and narrow channels demand slower speeds. Visibility considerations. Visibility plays a critical role in determining safe speed. Clear visibility ships can maintain a higher speed as hazards can be spotted from a distance. Fog and heavy rain. Radar sun signals and navigation lights must be used and speed should be reduced. Traffic conditions and risk assessment. High traffic areas requires vessel to slow down and maintain a high level of awareness. Open ocean. Vessels can travel at normal cruising speed with adequate lookouts. Harbor and port approaches. Traffic is denser, requiring lower speed.
I'm Midshipman Constantino and I'll be discussing about the vessel maneuverability and the case study collision due to excessive speed. So the vessel maneuverability. Every vessel has different maneuvering characteristics that affect its ability to operate safely. Turning ability, larger ships require more time and space to turn. Stopping distance. A vessel's stop distance depends on its speed and engine power. So the case study collision due to excessive speed. A real-life example of why maintaining a safe speed is essential. Case MV Tricolor Collision 2002. The MV Tricolor, a vehicle carrier, was traveling at excessive speed in thick fog. The vessel collided with another ship due to limited reaction time. Several ships were involved in subsided.
I am Michipan Gaborno and I will be discussing my part in our topic, which is all about how to determine safe speed. Determining safe speed requires assessing visibility conditions. Clear, foggy, or nighttime navigation impacts speed choices. Considering traffic density, high traffic zone requires speed reductions. Evaluating vessels maneuverability, larger vessels must slow down earlier. Conclusion. Safe speed is a fundamental rule in maritime navigation, ensuring sufficient reaction time and to avoid collisions. Compliance with Colreg's Rule 6. Enhance safety in challenging conditions.
I'm Jim Berchilin. BSMT 113 recommendation to ensure the navigation vessel should always maintain the proper lookout using the visual observation. Radar NIS reduces speed and for visibility to allow more time to react. The following correlating rule 6 factor for determining appropriate speed in the different condition as effective communication with reference. 1. IMO or rig handbook. 2. Case with student from Maritime Safety Report. 3. Best practice for Maritime Navigation Authority.